Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I'm sharing another awesome recipe of perfect cold coffee. In a cup, add 4 teaspoons of instant coffee powder, add 6 teaspoons of sugar or as required, less than 1 teaspoon of water, mix well. Now I'm adding 3/4 tablespoon of water. Continue stirring well. Now I added 1 tablespoon of warm water. I added more 1/4 tablespoon of warm water. Now I'm adding more half tablespoon of warm water. Add half tablespoon of water. Since the sugar has not dissolved completely, I am adding little more water. Now this mixture has become foamy. Here I am pouring little chocolate syrup in the glasses. Do visit my channel for more summer drink recipes such as watermelon juice, faluda and chiku milkshake. Add a few ice cubes into the glasses. Now I am adding milk which was boiled, cooled and then chilled. Now add little of the prepared mixture into the glasses. Mix it well. By the way, if you like my videos, then do click on the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video, so that you don't miss any of my videos. Here I'm adding vanilla ice cream. Mix well. I'm garnishing it with the prepared mixture. Little coffee powder and wafer rolls. Perfect cold coffee is ready. Stir it well and enjoy the perfect cold coffee. Thanks for watching.